Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Yahoo account or Yahoo Mail account. So let's go to the browser first. Then you have to write here delete Yahoo account. Hit enter. Then click on the first link, delete Yahoo account page. Now you'll find this interface like this. You have to scroll down and you'll find here continue delete my account. And now you have to put here the email what you want to delete. After giving the email, if you click on this yes delete this account, your account will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can delete Yahoo account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.